What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. For this video, we are going to swatch and try on the new the new lip series with KKWX Kylie Cosmetics. Yes, so when I saw these colors, I felt like I needed them because a lot of the colors that they released the second time around, I feel like I relate to more than, you know, like the nude pinky tones. These are more bold and they are beautiful. So let's open this up and let's see these colors. So this is kind of how the last collection came out. They had a little now I can't put it in. There you go. They have a little slip type of little cardboard packaging. This one still feels the same. It's very kind of like that velvety paper. It is a lot more flimsier than the first collection that came out. And okay, so that's that. I think the names are in the back. Yes, so we shall see. So these are the colors. They look so beautiful. The first one is Soul Sister, and they all seem to be in this very expensive frosted type of packaging. I don't think it's glass, I think it's plastic, but it feels really nice. So the first swatch is Soul Sister. Okay, that is Soul Sister. It's really pretty. Really pretty color. Okay, here's the second color. It is called Double Trouble. This is the second one. This one right here. That's Double Trouble. And then this is Twinning. This is more of a nudie taupey pink. And here it is. It is the third one from the bottom, which also looks beautiful. The last one is a gloss. It's called Main Bay, and it is the fourth one from the bottom up. It's really pretty. The rest of them are mattes. Okay, so let's try these on and let's see how they look on my lips, and let's go. It feels really great. This is what it looks like right here on my arm. This is what it looks like on my lips. So this is the color. I love it. It just gives me Latino vibes all day, every day, and I love it. It's like a deep, this is like a fall color, like winter color. Like, I love this color. And like I said, the Kylie formula feels so good on my lips. My lips are normally dry, so I really do love her formula because it doesn't feel like that on my lips. So I like it. So this is Soul Sister. Alright, so let's move on to the second color. This one is Double Trouble. So this is Double Trouble on my lips, and this is Double Trouble on my hand. The second one from the bottom, right here. I really like it. It's like a burnt brown. For the third one, we are doing Twinning. For the last one, we have the gloss in Main Bay. Alright, you guys, here is the gloss in Main Bay. Okay, final thoughts. don't care at all for the gloss. You can still see it right now, but when I applied it, it kind of like feels like oil, and it goes everywhere, like it was inside my mouth, like on my teeth. But also it like separates and the gloss isn't all over. So I would say maybe putting a little bit on top of the liquid lipstick would probably work better than to just put it on alone as like a regular lip gloss. But I don't know if it's just mine or if it's just me or nobody else has that problem, but it's not my favorite from the collection. Every other liquid lipstick, like these three money. These are money. This one, not so much. But then again, I don't really like, this is my first time ever trying a lip gloss from the Kylie Cosmetics. I don't really care for how it feels, just because I feel like it started like running all over my face when I applied it. And if I decide to just go one night with just gloss, I feel like it's gonna get everywhere. So maybe using it as a lip topper would work out better. But yeah, it's not, this one isn't my favorite from the collection. It's a really beautiful color, but I just didn't care for how it felt on my lips. But I'm going to try to figure out how to use it properly, or try to put it on top of another liquid lipstick. But the color is beautiful. Soul Sister and Double Trouble are like, I'm probably gonna wear like all the time. Twinning is the one that felt the best out of all four of them. So yes, those are my final thoughts on the KKW and Kylie collab. Just in case you guys are looking to purchase it, you know what the tea is. This was it for the KKW x Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipsticks collection. There you go, you guys. In case you do want to get your hands on the collection, you have a little reference video. I'm sure there's a plenty on YouTube, but again, I appreciate you guys watching my videos as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and of course, as always, please like this video, subscribe, and hit your notification bell, because I am doing a Christmas giveaway. I know I was supposed to do one for my birthday because I wanted you guys to celebrate with me, but unfortunately it never ended up happening, just because, you know, life gets in the way and all of that hoopla. But I wanted to do a giveaway for Christmas, and I'm still planning it, so it's going to be revealed in Vlogmas right before Christmas and leading up after. I'm really excited. I have some fun things planned, so stay tuned for Vlogmas so you can get to know me. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this big cheese ball in this video, but enjoy December. Thank you guys. Bye. Adios.